Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is lovey and rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see lovey and rose. When you press me to your heart, I am in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems to turn to love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovey and rose. Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is lovey and rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see lovey and rose. When you press me to your heart, I am in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems to turn to love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be lovey and rose.
Me to be on that screen and live inside each scene.
Without a nickel to my name, hopped a bus, here I came. I could be brave or just insane, we'll have to see.
'Cause maybe in that sleepy town you'll sit one day, the lights are down, you'll see my face and think how he used to know me.
Behind these hills I'm reaching for the heights and chasing all the lights that shine. When they let you down, you'll get up off the ground. The morning rolls around and it's another day of sun.
The rhythms in the canyons that'll never fade away. The ballads in the barrooms left by those who came before. They say we gotta want it more, so I bang on every door.
And even when the answer's no, or when my money is running low, the dusty mic and neon glow are all I need.
And someday as I sing the song, a small town kid'll come along. That'll be the thing to push him on and go, go.
And these hills I'm reaching for the heights and chasing all the lights that shine. When they let you down, get up off the ground. Morning rolls around and it's another day of
So do the trade off.